So my kids and I were looking for new lunch boxes for school, and we found this really fun little lunchbox that my kids really enjoy and I do as well. So first off, for them, they really love this really cute design. It says "Yummy Operation Empty Plate." They thought it was really funny to kind of hold it up to their head and pretend like this was their body. It was just a really fun little thing for them. What I like is that this is leak proof and it's very durable as well, which every parent knows when you're sending a kid off to school with their lunchbox, having something that's leak proof and durable is vital. So another thing that I liked is it's got these different compartments here. So you can see it's got 6 different compartments so that you can put all of your items in. It's got great sizing options for different fruits, veggies, whatever you're going to pack for your child. It's got this larger area here. You can also kind of take things out if you need to rearrange for different days, which I really enjoyed. So what I like is that this is like a bento style. It's got that cute design. It's really kid friendly. I love that I can separate my kids' food as well because they don't really like their things all touching. It's got a great little spot here for like some dipping sauce or something like that. But it's a really nice seal. It's really easy to use. It's just got this one little clip here. You pack up your food, you send your kids on their way, and you are good to go. And this is a guarantee to bring a smile to their face when they open up and they see this, when they have their great lunch, and they can just really enjoy their lunch.